What is the US equivalent of golden syrup, UK? Having recently moved from UK to US, when making honeycomb, what should I use as a replacement for golden syrup?
Honeycomb can be made with honey or molasses, but the flavor will not be the same. There isn't a US equivalent. We have molasses, but it's darker. You can substitute corn syrup in recipes where it isn't the principal ingredient, but here that would not work. That being said, my local grocery store has a British food section which carries golden syrup. You probably don't have to substitute, you just need to find it in your local grocer. Edit. Another answer suggests King's golden syrup as a golden syrup available in the US. This is not golden syrup. This is corn syrup derived product containing corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, refiner's syrup, water, potassium sorbate and citric acid. If you look at the ingredients of Lyle's golden syrup to compare, it contains simply cane sugar syrup. I use golden syrup, here in the US, all the time. I find it in the regular baking section, but I have seen it, like the previous answer, in the international section. I'm sure it's the same in the UK. But here it now comes in easy pour plastic bottles, just in case you were looking for it in different packaging, rather than only in tins like I used to buy, centuries ago, at the British Naffy in Rheindahlen, Germany. I have actually substituted it for corn syrup. My nephew is allergic to corn, with great results. You must stir constantly when making peanut brittle because it burns faster, but it still makes great brittle, and it makes a slightly softer truffle, but not enough that most would notice. So I'd be interested to hear what happened if you still cannot find golden syrup in your area and did use corn syrup. Perhaps you'd have to add some cane sugar, to keep it from being too stiff, ahem. I'm not a food chemist, obviously, but I do like to experiment with food and was happily surprised by my results. My other answer would be Amazon. They have everything.